weeks ago, a young lady testified. I don't know what happened to her. Her father said to her, her father and her mother separated. And her father said, don't go near your mother. If you go near your mother, I have nothing to do with you. She said, but how will I not go near my mother? She said, girl, was that Mercy was her name? Favor?
Favor.
She said, I will go near my mother. She went to her mother, and her father abandoned her. You don't want to know where she lived with her mother. Father had houses. Do you have the clip still of where she lived with her mother? Nothing to eat. Got admission into the university to read accounting. She looked for transport money, right?
Yes, sir.
To go to school.
Yes, sir.
No feeding money.
The mother prayed for her and said, God.
The mother prayed for her and said, God will go with you.
Okay, she's in church. Her sister.
Oh, you are here?
She's in school.
Okay, that's her sister. The mother prayed for her and said, God will go with you. She arrived. A stranger housed her for about a month or so. 3 months.
3 months. The first woman, 3 months.
And then another person picked her up. She's the one crying there. Another person picked her up and began to assist her with feeding. She became dedicated to God in the school and became committed academically. Became a technical staff of Dunamis Campus Fellowship in the school there in Lafayette. Media personnel. Went through the university. They rejected Stone. Very difficult study condition. Graduated with first class in accounting. When she testified here, everybody identified with her situation. And on that day, we promised her, that is exactly 3 weeks ago. She was promised, number one, that she'll be assisted to go through chartered accountancy course, ICANN, and any other thing she wants to do. This was where she graduated with first class from. You don't want to see the rooms.
The inside.
But 3 weeks later, we told her, you say, you know what? By this testimony, God changes your story. And we shall replace that house. For the God you served faithfully and dedicatedly, we shall replace that house. And in 3 weeks, the house is replaced. And you are always there to help. You are always there to help me, even when no one else was.
The children told her about our promise.
From to go and have first class. Started. This is it. Hello? How do you see it? This is what life is all about. This is what church is all about. And this is what God is all about. Our struggle is not what to get from people. Our struggle is how to make people. How much will somebody pay to become normal from being a sickler? See Favor's house. See how it was before. And see how it is. Show us that picture again. The one at the end. I think the devil should be somewhere crying now. Had the princes of this world under 3 weeks, you testified, you were rejected, you got first class, and from there you and your mother got a house. I like you to see this as a prophecy of your life, a prophecy of your future, a prophecy of your destiny. The same way that this woman is making her situation and her children go viral on online, make this kind of situation go. Let them know that this is what God is all about. And if you are a rejected stone here, father rejected you, parents rejected you, community rejected you, whoever rejected you, congratulations, because God is about to turn around your story. He's 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 about to turn around your story. Let's give the Lord a sound of celebration. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
So she's here with some of her neighbors.
All right,
to confirm.